Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062553, because of this error code, that is 0x8007045B. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then click on pause update. So just pause the update and then hit resume updates. So just pause and resume the updates and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start app readiness service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, you can go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot over here, click on other troubleshooter. Here you can see Windows update, click on run. Now on this page, select the option which says I can't download, install or uninstall update, and then can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Click on yes. Just follow the on-screen instruction and run the troubleshooter. If this is not working, in that case the next step is to restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update over here, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If there is any update over here, you will see update now option or install option. You can update it. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows Update, Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, open this link in a browser. It is provided in the video description. Now over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5062553, and then click on search. Now for me it's Windows 11, and just ignore the language. Let me translate this language. So for me it's Windows 11 version 2 for H2 for x64 based system. You can check what kind of system you have. You can go to settings and then you can go to system and then you can go to about option. Now over here you will see what kind of system you have, and then you can just, for me it's x64 based system, so this is the right one for me, and then click on download. And over here you can see KB5062553. Click on it and then you can install this update. So make a double click. You can just, once the download is complete, you can install this update manually and then check. You can even install this one and restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy till here and then type in Notepad in Windows search box. Open Notepad, paste all the command over here and then go to file, click on save as. You can set the location as desktop, name this file as wufix.bat, and then for save as tab, select all files, click on save, and then go to desktop, make a right click on WFX, and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now let this process complete. This process will take some time. So if you receive this prompt, do you want to continue this operations, type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan process will take time, and once the scan is complete, it will again restart. It will restart all the Windows Update services, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problem using Windows Update option. So you can go to Windows settings, and then you can go to Windows Update, and then you can go to advanced option over here. Here go to recovery option, and then over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and after the installation, log into the computer and then check. Now if nothing is working, the last step is to use media creation tool. To use media creation tool, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now over here, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on accept and let the process complete. This may take some time. So by default, Windows 11 is selected over here. Now click on next. Now select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can set the location as desktop. Now click on save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time. Now once done, click on finish over here and just wait for this screen to go away. Now once gone, now you can go to desktop, find the ISO file over here and make a double click, and then over here you can see the setup option, setup exe file. Make a double click, click on yes to allow. Now click on next over here. And let this complete. Now click on accept. Now once done, over here you can see the option which says keep personal files and app. It's checked by default. So make sure this is checked so that you don't lose any data on the computer. So once checked over here, now click on install. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.